Hello everyone, welcome to Efficient User. So this is going to be a series of short videos on topic Angular 9 tutorial for beginners. So we will be doing a very short videos like around 5 to 10 minutes each videos, and we will be more on like from beginner level to intermediate level. So earlier I had posted a video about the introduction of this course. I will add the link in the description. If you want to see that video, you go and watch that and come back to this thing. Otherwise, you can kickstarting the videos. You can just start seeing this video itself. So we'll just jump into the basics. So what is Angular? Basically, Angular is a framework for building client application in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Normally, people are doing tutorial videos from their slides, and will be putting in a record in the videos. So I'm just going through my blogs so that if you have any doubts, you can go back and check out in the blog itself. So next question is why Angular? Why we need to learn Angular? So basically, like we can do similar operations with existing libraries or like plugins like jQuery, JavaScript, all these programming stuffs. So we can complete our stuff using the jQuery. Why we need Angular? When application becomes complex in terms of requirement, jQuery becomes hard to maintain the code. For example, if you want to do like a service call to a backend and doing all kind of things, Angular is like a package of frameworks, and it will be easily binded with some other plugins, external plugins. It will be easy to do lots of operation. Everything we need will be available in the Angular in terms of front-end development. So what is the major benefits of Angular? It's a component-based framework. Let's say this browser itself application, and like in the website is application, how we can do it's a component based. Let's say this header can go as a one single component, and this blog body can become a component, and this sidebar can become a component. Everything can be kept it as a separate, and it can be reusable across in the various parts of application, and Angular supports more testable codes and dependency injection. So it will load lots of dependent objects when it creates an instance of an object. We can write our code either JavaScript or TypeScript. Angular framework itself developed using TypeScript. Basically, TypeScript is a syntactical sugar of JavaScript. So if you already know JavaScript, TypeScript will be easy to adapt and going through with your code. So the action plan of this particular course will be like we'll be doing a step-by-step process of basically it's for a beginners. If you already have some basic knowledge in Angular, you can still do it as a brush-up session for taking these lessons. So basically, I was talking about this video only. I will add it in the description. You just go and watch it. We will just listed what are the various things we will be discussing in the series of video. So we can check what is the architecture of Angular. So basically, we have two main sections in the architecture in terms of web application, like a front end and back end. The front end we will be building using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or TypeScript, and some other front end logics. So, for example, if you want to display a form in terms of some other validation, those kind of business logic will be present in front end side, and all of the remaining business logic like maintaining the records or like a CRUD kind of operation databases will be maintained as a APIs. APIs can be in any programming languages like C# or some other web services. This thing. In Angular, we are not going to store any data in the client side because when the sessions or cookies is cleared, everything will be deleted. We will be basically using the local storage or cookies in client side to store some temporary data. For example, if you want to cache some URL, if you want to store some local data, that's only needed during that time of session only. So basically, it will look like this. Frontend will have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript, and backend will have the business logics that needs to be maintained in the database side or like in the backend side. Basically, the skeleton will be look like this. These are the very key parts available in the Angular architecture: modules, components, templates, directives, data binding, services, and dependency injection. We will see one by one in detail as a separate video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and support and keep your bell icons so that whenever we posted a new video, you will get notified. So those are the things for today's video. In the next video, we will see how to set up a development environment and we will go through the step-by-step process and create a hello world application. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to the